Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching Take. It's been long time I didn't created the videos for the OnePlus 6 and 6T. Actually my device went into the continuous crash dump and reboot due to the no imei and the baseband because of the new retrofit partition scheme. After a long struggle I got my phone back in original condition on the normal partition scheme. If you think I should make the regular videos for the OnePlus 6 and 6T ROMs updates, then please support our channel, like and share this video to more people and recommend them to subscribe our channel with the bell icon. I flash ran using the Superior OS March build on my OnePlus 6. I already did the full review of the Superior OS in the last video. You can check that video from the icard or from the video description. In the software update section, today I got another new update of 12th April which has some new changelog, so I started to download this update via OT updater. Even though I am using the TWRP, I decided to update via stock OTA and it was successful without any issues. We have to just tap on the download, system will download the update. Once download completes, tap on install, system will verify the update and flashes it automatically on the go without rebooting into the recovery. Finally, we just have to tap on the reboot, so all the things are done here. To do with chekout, hold the changelog along with the performance and stability test using the Geekbench and jitter application. Finally, I have shown some bugs and my final verdict, so watch the video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started. Phone booted with the familiar boot animation of the Superior. We did the dirty flash, so system will boot directly into the launcher. If you want to flash this first time, then follow the video links given under the video description. Phone boots to the Superior launcher. Under the notification panel, you get the system update finishing notification. Once done, let's jump to the about phone. This is the same Android 13 based ROM with the Android 13 Easter egg. ROM has the April security patch. I am using first custom ROM with the latest April security patches. Build date of ROM is 12th April 2023. ROM now comes with the premise kernel version 4.9.337, build date with the most latest client toolchain version 17. Kernel version is enforcing. ROM is based on the latest Android 13 release candidate 41 sources. So ROM is totally has latest source base which helps to improve the ROM performance and the stability to the next level. ROM has all the basic things working. You can check our old Superior OS video as a reference to check is it daily drivable build or not. So without wasting more time, let's jump to the performance testing. ROM is constantly running all the time on the 60Hz, which is the highest refresh rate of this device. Every apps including the camera will run on the 60Hz. We didn't need to enable any settings like the force peak refresh rate like that. This device is now 7-year-old. Still, while using this ROM, we will never think you are using this aged device. This is the power of custom ROMs. Everything's like the apps opening, scrolling, RAM management, so fine-tuned by the developers that it will give you a feel of newly purchased device. Now let's start the Geekbench test. For first test of CPU, I got the score of 560 and 1873 for the single and multi-core respectively. If we check the old build results, there we got the score of 556 and 1952. So the results of current build slightly less, but it's negligible difference. Next I did the performance test on the OpenGL graphics API. There I got the score of 2012 and for Orginal graphics API I got the score of 1930. For old build we got the result of 2012 and 1923 for OpenGL graphics and Orginal graphics respectively. Both of these old and current build has the same GPU performance. So overall negligible difference we got for the performance testing. Current Superior OS build is more fine-tuned with the more stability. Now let's start the new test called as the jitter test. I have given the link of UIbench application under the video description to test the jitter of your device. Open the app, go to the rendering option, there tap on the jitter. At the top you get the numerical jitter values and at the bottom you get the graph with the blue line. If the jitter value remains below 0.5 millisecond, then it's the best value showing the device is running smoothly without any scrolling or swiping jitter. It's surprising that for Superior OS this value stayed below 0.5 all the time. Even I ran some background application. It's showing the developer has did amazing job which is giving lag free scrolling. If you see some scrolling lag, it's because you most probably used a new 90-120Hz screen display. That's why this 60Hz screen looks laggy sometimes. Now let's start the thorough review of new changelog. Developer has added the Google call recording in the dialer. You will find these recorded calls under the recording folder of the file manager. Under display and the color mode, developer has added the AOSP color modes like the natural, boosted, saturated and adaptive. Developer has fixed a hyper orange color for the night mode. Actually, I didn't tested this issue previously, but now it's fixed. If you don't like this hyper orange color, then you can also reduce its intensity using the slider as per your requirement. Now guess the freeform window mode added in the cards for the recents application. If you long press on any recents card, we guess the freeform window mode under the pop-up menu. We can move this application window anywhere on the screen, but you can't use two different application windows at the same time. You can resize the size of window by dragging its corners. Next is now ROM supports the VoLTE for all the carriers. Previously it was supporting for the Jio and Airtel when I tested it. ROM now supports all kinds of USB OTG. Actually this also I didn't tested in the previous builds. I used my OTG bought from the local shop and it's working without any issues. Under the settings and OnePlus customization, we guess the DC dimming. Developer has improved its functionality more this time as compared to the previous builds. In the previous videos for the most of Android 13 ROMs, lots of users reported under the comment section regarding the device become hot during the Google photo backup. This issue has been fixed by the developers now. The most important part of the video starts here. Developer now added fully working OnePlus Gallery and Oxynos camera. I checked the gallery application, it's working without any issues. Next I checked OnePlus camera. In this the important feature of video shooting at the 4K 60 fps is working. I did some shooting and it's working without any issues. Portrait mode for both the front selfie and the main camera are working very good. But the blur effect sometimes not good in some scenarios. Time-lapse video recording and the slow motion video shooting are working. Here is a sample for the slow motion video recording. Pro mode is working and all the tunable settings are working without any issues. Panorama mode is also working. So overall first time developer Optimus Prime added fully working camera in his build which was missing previously. So we discuss all the things. Now if you ask the bugs, then except the issue of wideband security as L3, no issues you will get in this build. Everything is working. This Android 13 basic custom ROM is supported by the amazing developer Optimus Prime, who is giving the regular support to the OnePlus 6 and 6T. So we accept we will get the regular support for this ROM. ROM has the amazing performance and stability. It has amazing customizations too, so I definitely recommend you to use it as a daily driver. That's it for today guys. If you think this video helped you, then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.